At Stanley Community College, the Technology and Engineering Department offers many exciting programs, including 2 designed for today's fast-growing technical fields. In the Mechatronics Engineering Technology program, students explore the integration of mechanical, electrical, and electronic systems. Training focuses on designing, programming, and troubleshooting automated machinery used in robotics, manufacturing, transportation, medical equipment, and more. Courses build skills in robotics, PLCs, instrumentation, fluid power, motors and controls, physics, and applied technical math. In the Electronics Engineering Technology program, students learn to build and troubleshoot the electronic systems behind modern industry. They study electricity, solid-state devices, digital concepts, microprocessors, computer-aided design, communications, and industrial controls, supported by extensive hands-on labs, both on campus and online. Graduates move into careers as electronics engineering technicians, field service technicians, maintenance technicians, and more. At Stanley Community College, these programs open the door to the future of advanced technology.
To learn more, visit stanley.edu.